Hi everyone, Professor Binge here, and this is my first lecture, and this first lecture is on starting your own YouTube channel. Now I came up with, on my whiteboard, 5 key nuggets you need to know, and let me walk through them with you. And again, self-grading, if you agree 100%, you get 20 points. Kind of agree, kind of follow it, 10 points. If you don't agree or you don't follow it, you don't get any points, and perhaps 5 points for making a comment. But anyhow, the first golden nugget is just start it. You can research all you want, you can watch all the YouTubes, you can watch all the training YouTubes, you can do it until time runs out. You just got to start it before you're really ready, and you'll see as you progress, you'll learn more and more and more, and that's an important nugget. Don't keep dilly-dallying around. Start it, do it, create your first one, see how it goes. The second golden nugget is to find topics that other people will enjoy watching. I mean, you don't want to look like a fool by having a topic that you only get like eight views, and 7 of them are family. So you got to pick a topic that other people will enjoy watching, and will learn from and will enjoy it. Third golden nugget is minimize initial dollar investment. Hopefully you can pull most of the stuff around your house. Use your phone, use your computer. You use stuff you have around the house. Don't go out and buy expensive editing software or buy the latest and greatest Mac computer for editing. Start with what you have. You can always grow from there. The fourth golden nugget, practice and perfect. Give something that's professional. I think that's important. People like to look at a professional produced YouTube. Quite frankly, I get 0 points on this because this is not professional, but I'm a beginner. And rather than dilly-dallying around, I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead with this and count on my family to view it multiple times. Last but not least is enjoy the process. Quite frankly, I only get 10 points on this one because I'm not quite sure I'm enjoying this that much right now. I hope to enjoy it more. I hope to get better at it. Right now I'm struggling. I think it's important you enjoy what you're doing, and I think as the first golden nugget said, you got to start. And hopefully after you do 2, 3, 4, 5, you'll start enjoying it a whole lot more, and people will, it will be more professional. So there you go, the 5 golden nuggets on starting your first channel. I get, quite honestly, probably 60 points when I self-graded. Hopefully you get higher than that, but enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.